Hello students, today I will tell you about formal charge calculation. So by formula, formal charge is V minus L minus 1 by 2 into S. So V is the number of valence electron here and L is the number of lone pairs minus S is the number of shared electrons. So for the calculation of formal charge, first we must know about the Lewis dot structures. So Lewis structures help in the calculation of formal charge. So here I am taking example of ozone. So by formula ozone is O3. So first we have to draw the structure of ozone. As in ozone we have 3 oxygen atoms and the atomic number of oxygen is 8 and the configuration is 2,6. So 6 electrons are in the valence shell. So these 6 electrons are responsible for the bond formations. So while drawing the Lewis dot structure, first we represent these 6 electrons in this way, because all oxygen atoms are neutral. So simply we represent 6 electrons. Now the very first oxygen atom takes 2 electrons from the second atom so that its octet is complete in this way. And similarly second atom is donating its electron. So this atom is also accepts 2 electrons from this oxygen atom to complete its octet in this way. So now the cases for these 2 oxygen atoms are over. Their octets are complete. Now it is turn of third oxygen atom. So already this oxygen atom is having 6 electrons. So now it requires only 2 electrons. So this oxygen atom takes 2 electrons from the middle oxygen atom so that its octet is complete. So here in these 2 atoms simply mutual sharing is taking place. So double covalent bond is formed. But in this particular oxygen atom, this oxygen atom accepts 2 electrons. So here a special type of covalent bond is formed which is known as coordinate bond. So double-headed arrow, simply we represent double-headed arrow, and the Lewis dot structure, because this is known as overlapping, the Lewis dot structure for ozone is one oxygen atom double bonded with second oxygen atom, then coordinate bond with this third oxygen atom. In first oxygen atom 4 electrons are left. So in pair it is 2 lone pairs and 4 electrons, and in this oxygen atom only 2 electrons are left, considered as one lone pair, and in this oxygen atom we have 6 electrons left, means 3 lone pairs. So by formula, before calculating the formal charge, first we have to assign the numbering in the oxygen atom. This is considered as first oxygen, this is second oxygen atom, and this is third oxygen atom. Now it is easy to calculate one by one the formal charge in each oxygen atom. So now turn is of the very first, according to formula Fc for first oxygen atom. So that is equals to Fc equals to, for first oxygen atom, number of valence electron is R6 minus lone pair of electrons are 4 electrons. I am talking about electrons. So it is 4. In pair it is 2, but this is lone pair of electrons. So it is 4 minus 1 by 2 multiplied with shared. So these bonds are countable in the shared electrons. So here we are representing 4 electrons, it is shared. So when we cancel out this, so it gives is equals to 0. And for second oxygen atom, it is formal charge for second oxygen atom, that is equals to, number of valence is again same because it is oxygen atom only, minus it is 2 because only 2 electrons are present, minus 1 by 2 in multiplied with shared. So this middle oxygen atom shares 2 electrons here and 4 electrons here. 4 and these 2 electrons. So that is equals to 6 total number of electrons shared. So that is equals to 2, that is equals to 3. So 6 minus 2 is 4, minus 3 is 1. So this comes positive value plus 1 value. Now the turn is of last oxygen atom. Formal charge for third oxygen atom. Third oxygen atom, that is equals to Fc, formal charge, equals to 6 minus number of lone pairs are also 6 minus 1 by 2 multiplied with shared number of electrons. So shared, it is only 2 electrons are shared. So when we solve this, 6 minus 6, 0, that is equals to minus 1. So these are the charge bearing by the species. For the first oxygen atom it is 0, there is no charge. In the middle oxygen atom, in the second it is positive charge, and in the third oxygen atom it is minus charge, minus 1 charge, or simply we represent minus 1. So this is the formal charge, because actually by definition formal charge is the charge assigned on the species, or we can say the charge assigned on particular atom. So in the case of oxygen, in the case of ozone molecule, here it is plus 1 charge and minus 1 charge, and 1 is 0. So in total plus and minus, that is equals to 0. So because as we all know that ozone is neutral species, so these charges are balancing and cancel each other. So the formal charge for this ozone molecule is 0. So now the second question is the calculation of formal charge on carbon in carbonate ion. So for that, first we draw the Lewis dot structure for carbonate ion. So here it is, carbon is the center metal atom, and there are 3 oxygen atoms present, but minus 2 charges indicating that 2 extra electrons are present on this structure. So as we know, the atomic number for carbon and oxygen, for carbon it is 6, for oxygen it is 8. Valence number of electrons are 4 for carbon and 6 for oxygen. So while writing the Lewis dot structure, first we represent 6 carbon atom and this oxygen atom, 6 electron in this oxygen atom, and now we have 2 oxygen atoms having one more electron, that is 7 electrons, because formal charge is indicating that 2 minus charge is indicating that 2 extra electrons are present. So already these 2 oxygen atoms are having 6 electrons in them, but 1 extra electron simply we add, so that these oxygen atoms are now having 7 electrons. So in carbon atom we have 4 valence electron. This carbon atom is donating 1 electron to this oxygen atom to complete its octet. Similarly, second oxygen atom accepting 1 electron from carbon. Now the electrons left in carbon are 2 electrons. This oxygen atom accepting 2 electrons from carbon. So all oxygen atom have completed their octet. Now it is turn of carbon. Carbon is having 4 electrons, and if it accepts 2 electrons from these 2, it becomes 6. 2 more electrons we require for from this oxygen atom, so that the octet of carbon is also complete. So here is the Lewis dot structure, and simply we represent this structure in this way: carbon with double bond oxygen and 2 lone pairs, 4 lone pair electrons, single bond, then 6 electrons, similarly single bond, 6 electrons. So this is the Lewis dot structure. So according to question, we have to find out the formal charge on carbon atom. So simply we specify as 1, or simply we write formal charge on carbon atom. So formal charge on carbon atom means Fc formula is used for that. Number of valence electrons on carbon atom is 4. Now number of lone pair of electrons it is. So lone pair of electron, because it is central metal atom, it is 0, because all are bonds, minus 1 by 2. multiplied with the shared electrons. So one single bond share 2 electrons, so 2, 4, 6, 8. So already it is 8. So when we cancel out, it is 2, 4 the 8. So the 4 minus 4, that is equals to 0. So the formal charge on carbon atom equals to 0. So in this way we can easily calculate the formal charge on any atom which can be asked in the question. So I am writing a question for you for your practice. Calculate the formal charge on phosphate ion. Calculate the formal charge on phosphorus in phosphate ion, and the second is calculate the formal charge on sulfur in sulfate ion. So this is for your practice. Thank you.